Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS audio out of sync. So guys, if you ever encounter this, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your OBS. Now, once you are here guys, you should be able to see your audio over here. So you could just simply select the three dots here on the audio mixer that is on your microphone and go for the advanced audio properties. And you will have this feature over here, sync offset. So you will have here the name, mic, and pretty much over here, guys, you should just simply change it to 200. And now, if that doesn't work out, guys, you could just simply select close. You could just simply change it to 150 or 250. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And guys, that's all you have to do. Now, another option, guys, is you could select the three dots again and make sure you have the right microphone. So guys, sometimes if your device is some fault, it would not work. So make sure you have the right microphone so everything will be good. And pretty much that's all you could do for this video. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.